Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. You haven't seen me in a while. Last time you saw me, I had a beard. Down to here. It's been a while. I figured I would make you a little video today because I went and bought the RYOBI framing nailer 21 degrees plus 4,000 nails. Because, you know, I do a lot of home stuff. I have another big project coming up on the side of the house, which is another video. What we're going to do with this bad boy right here, unbox it quick. I'm going to do a quick little test and see how I like it. I've watched videos on it. I have seen some videos on it. So, and I obviously have a bunch of RYOBI stuff. So, Lord knows, I have enough batteries. So yeah, that was the whole reason of purchasing this, is because I already have all those, so why not add to the collection? Plus it's wireless. My framing nailer that was pneumatic with my big old, not big, but my air compressor back there, it kind of took a shit after, good lord, I probably had that thing like 15-20 years. So I decided to go cordless, and we'll see. So let's unbox this quick. Oh, and if you do like this video and you get a kick out of it, you get anything out of it, please throw a like on it. Subscribe if you like, because so I'm going to have more tools, more how to fix things, you know, the basic shit. Let's go unbox this thing. So I come outside. I'm going to do the unboxing out here. I have an overhead rig downstairs. I don't feel like being inside. I come out here to do the unboxing, and I found this. My Roomba's trying to escape. It's not like there isn't a lip. This is a big lip. That's a speed bump for that thing.
Navigation problem.
Navigation problem. No shit. Okay, so let's go over what the box is. This is a 21 degree, which is the angle of this. It's just how you can fit into places. Performance motor, advanced electronic lithium ion battery, which I already have. It doesn't come with a battery. This was $2.99 plus the battery, or the nails, which was 80 something. Total was like a little bit over $400. Instant driving, power sync up to 3.5-inch nails, which is good because I bought 3-inch nails. And on the back it says same stuff, just in a different language. What we have in the box? Much stuff. A lot of packing. There we go. There we are. Framing nailer. 21 degrees. Anything else in the box? Unboxing is very simple. Get some paperwork. Get some registered blah blah blah. And it looks like a little belt clip or something. Okay. I mean, it seems fairly self-explanatory if you've seen or used a framing nailer. This is what they look like. Usually have a little angle on here so you can get into tighter spaces when doing framing, such as this, such and such. This little thing here. This is a one shot. This is when you pull it, when you push it down, it'll hammer it. We'll call that Rambo mode. And this is single shot, where you just pull the trigger. What else we got? The slider. Got a little lever right here. Put your nails in through the back here. Slide this forward. Slam it in there. Other than that, battery, shock absorbing. What is that? It's a shock absorbing. Oh, it moves. Oh, that's different. So that way if you set it down, you're not wrecking stuff. That's kind of cool. Didn't expect that. Alright, let's go in the garage. Okay, little piece does come off. You just gotta, you gotta kind of pry it off. It does come out though. Another one of the features I should tell you about is this right here. This little spin knob is your depth. So I believe this is the weakest, but We got a battery right here. Let's go find out. I suppose I'll show you how to do this. So you put the batteries in, it's literally just feed them in through the back here. Slide them forward. Grab your little button. Let go of the button. This button will bring them past. If you let go of this button, it'll stay. Good? Good. Let's go. Let's find out. It's a little difficult to do with one hand. But right now, I do believe we're having a single shot. So as you see, these little nails kind of dig in. That's why I like that. And that's in there pretty good. So counterclockwise, all the way counterclockwise, pretty deep. We'll put it all the way clockwise. You see this moving, by the way. What this is doing, it's bringing this down. So all this is doing is moving this up and down. You can see it coming back up. There you can come back down. That one was damn near flush. It is like right on the end. That is pretty flush right there. There's a little countersunk. I think that is good right there. I like that. Slightly countersunk. So let's try Rambo mode. Okay. If you use Rambo mode, you definitely want to sink them a little more. I mean, 3 out of 4. That one kind of bounced on me a bit, but I'd call that pretty decent. Give it a little smack with a hammer, you should be alright. And to be honest with you, I'm not a Rambo kind of shooter. I put that nail exactly where I want to put it. I don't sit there and ding, ding, ding. I'm not a roofer. I've done a couple. I have used it on roofs. Do, 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 and you're done. So, yeah. So that's it for my quick unboxing, quick test. The RYOBI 21 degree framing nailer. Let me know what you think in the comments. Oh, and if you are interested in getting this, I'll throw a link in the description for you. And yeah, I do get a little piece of that action from Amazon. The price for you does not change. This will be $299. It's just I make like a couple dollars, I think, maybe. I don't know. Helps me buy more stuff that I need and more stuff that I don't need. So I appreciate you watching. Don't forget to share the video, tell your friends about it, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.